today we're going to just do a follow along of turning these just live veg pieces into the charcuterie boards that you guys see a lot of them buy. First thing we'll do is take the bark off and we'll cut it down to size and then we'll get it all finished up. Hope you guys like following along in this video. If you have something you want me to do, please leave a comment below, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps us out. We're really trying to grow this into something that can be seen, viewed, and help a lot of people. So hope you guys enjoy and hope you have a great day.